इसके अंदर मैं आप लोगों को आपके माध्यम से आई वांट टू clarify that yesterday we had received information that at a property which is located in Gumalwado, Anjuna, there was a clash between two groups over property dispute, and subsequently police had visited the scene of crime, and we have taken necessary legal action. इसके अंदर ऑन द कंप्लेंट ऑफ वन श्री मेविल्टन थियोडोर हु इज़ 32 years old, he is a resident of Gumalwado, Anjuna. We've registered an offence against one Bruno D'Souza and other people. This offence has been registered under section 189 read with subsection 2, 191 read with subsection 2, 109 and 190 BNS. और इसके अंदर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस कंप्लेंट 2 persons were arrested last evening. The arrested persons are one Mr. Digambar Salkar. He is 54 years old and he is a resident of Duler, Mapsa. The other person arrested is Akhil Tekekar. He is 33 years old. He is a resident of Kuchalim, Mapsa. जो दिगंबर सालकर हैं, इन द इनिशियल इंटेरोगेशन ही इज़ रिवील दैट ही वाज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ मिस्टर ब्रूनो, और जो उसमें हु इज़ अराउंड 92 years old, and Bruno had contacted him to help him resolve a existing property dispute. This property dispute which they have is with one person who we've identified as Mevilton Theodore and his father. इसमें जो फादर है उनको इंजरीज़ आई हैं और मेविल्टन को भी इंजरीज़ आई हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इंजरी दे आर प्रेजेंटली अंडरगोइंग ट्रीटमेंट एट GMC. उसके बाद उनको मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट किया गया है. वी हैव ऑल्सो रिसीव्ड अ क्रॉस कंप्लेंट that from Mr. Bruno, on the basis of which a cross FIR has also been registered. उसके अंदर भी investigation is currently underway. So primarily this was a dispute over the ownership of the property. इसके अंदर when they had gone to take the possession, there were some verbal abuses and after which there was a clash. All the persons involved in this assault, they are being identified, they are being called for questioning, and whatever necessary legal action has to be taken will be taken.
So इस केस में बाउंसर थे.
The property belongs to whom exactly?
See, as you are well aware, the ownership of the property, that decision is taken by court, because both the parties are claiming to claim their ownership over the property, and both of them have submitted documents to claim that this property belongs to them. However, we are conducting an inquiry to establish who exactly owns the property, but final decision in such matters rests with सिविल कोर्ट्स.
सर इस केस में बाउंसर थे.
सर इसके हाँ वही जो इस केस में अभी तक बोला गया है कि बाउंसर ने मारा है, बाउंसर ने मारा. इस केस में एक्चुअली हाथापाई किस के साथ हुई थी?
देखिए, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, इसके अंदर ऑन वन साइड इज़ वन मिस्टर ब्रूनो, ऑन द अदर साइड इज़ मेविल्टन एंड हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स. द असॉल्ट हैज़ हैपेंड बिटवीन दीज पर्सन्स. So far in the investigation, we have not come across any mention of any bouncer. However, investigation is ongoing. If during investigation fresh evidence emerges, then we will take that into account and necessarily legal action will be taken. But so far, I will again say, no role of any kind of bouncer has come into play.
So till now 2 are arrested.
We have arrested 2 persons, but we are looking for more persons, and teams have been formed and more arrests are likely.
Okay.